How to fix a critical error has occurred in League of Legends. So what you gotta do is go to the file location of League of Legends. So right click on the icon, go to open file location, go back to Riot Games and open up the League of Legends. And now delete config and data. Once you've done that, go to game, right click League of Legends, go to the properties, compatibility, and make sure these two options are checked. If the game doesn't even try to run after this, try disabling run this program as an administrator. And then hit apply. Now, we're not done yet. What we gotta do now is run League of Legends. What the game is doing now is it is re-downloading those two files that we have deleted. That's how to fix a critical error has occurred in League of Legends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.